Okay, good day. We're back again, Autodesk Inventor Professional 2020. So, from the last time we talked about that is Edge, creating the plane on the cylinder surface by means of through points, no, which is also that is where the point is touching the circumference of cylinder, which is also the basis of your uh, work plane, no? Now, let's try to open my part file here. So I am now in part file 28. So trying to open that one, and I'm gonna make a save as for this part file. So I'm gonna save as this one as a part, we have 28. So that will be part 29. I'm gonna save this one as part 29, okay? Then in my view, I'm gonna change this one to our visual style to shaded with edge, then giving it the shadows, okay? Then in my 3D model, I have here your plane, no? So that will be tangent to surface and parallel to plane, okay? So let's try to click this one. So I have my surface here, okay? Then I'm looking for a parallel surface or parallel plane, or we can use also call it a surface here, so or let's say a face, no? So I'm gonna select this one, okay. So again, we have here created our working plane, which is now tangent, no? Tangent to the cylinder, okay. You can see that one, you can observe that one. So let's try again. So from here, plane, so we have tangent to surface and parallel to plane. So I'm selecting my surface here, so I have my surface, then I'm gonna select this parallel face, okay. So the face now, or the working plane now is being created. So I can now directly create my sketch here. So creating my sketch, so I have that one. So I'll be creating a rectangle here, so which is touching, no? Touching on the surface. So one way, or for a reference, I'm gonna do that one. So that is circles from the point center. So I'm gonna change this one to 2-point rectangle, creating a 2-point rectangle here, and we can drafting that one. Now able to see the line here because it's hidden, so I'm gonna change my visual style. So I'm gonna view, and I'm gonna go to my shaded void wireframe, so changing that one, giving the dimensions, so we're still in the sketch to constrain my sketch here. So I'm giving this one as a 65 mm, and this one as this is 142, make it 145. Now observing here, we are now fully constrained. So again, it's okay now. So we can proceed, we can finish the sketch, and we can do some part features like extrude and extruding in both ways. Let's try to also again doing all this a Boolean operation for this one. So changing that one. Okay, so applying my Boolean operations here. So I'm gonna click OK. Then again, so it's not properly displayed on my screen, so I'm gonna zoom extends here or zoom all here so that I have the proper view of that one. So my part file here is being created. Okay, so since we did not formally indicate how much is the thickness this one, so I can edit my extrusions here. So clicking my extrusions. So again, trying to zoom that one. So I will be canceling that one. So okay, and zooming in. So I have my part features here. I will click that one, and I will try to move this one from this surface, or not. I will try to just only extrude this one. I'm gonna edit this one manually. So and moving my extrusion towards here. Okay, so you can press your left mouse button and drag that one, so we can extrude it anywhere we want to. Just only a freestyle, no? Just only to have a good demo of using that plane. So I'm gonna click OK. So I'm gonna press my home here, so just to see my part file that is being created using the Boolean style. Again, we can hide our work plane, so I'm hiding this one, so you can select control, select both of the work plane and right click, and we have your visibility. Okay, so you have now hidden the work plane. So don't forget to save your part file. So saving this one as, okay, that is part 29, so saving that as a part 29, so save that one. Okay, then let's proceed to another plane for discussion, which is the, I call this normal to access through point.